Today is the most important day of the whole year for me. It is my 9th birthday, and I have been waiting for this morning for months.
I just know today is gonna be filled with the best surprises ever. I wonder what beautiful handmade gifts my family will give me this morning.
I can already smell the delicious breakfast cooking down in the kitchen right now.
Good morning, everyone. The sun is shining, and it is a beautiful new day. Good morning, Emma. But Hen, please sit down quickly because we have a very busy schedule today.
Oh, okay, Mom. Is there anything special happening this morning that I should know about?
I have to finish this important work report before I leave for my office in 10 minutes.
Did you happen to look at the calendar on the wall this morning, Daddy?
Yes, I did, and I realized I have 3 separate business meetings to attend today.
Look at my fast racing car. It can jump over the big cereal bowl easily. Leo, do you know what special day we are celebrating in our house today? No, I do not know, but I need more sweet milk for my breakfast cereal.
Eat your toast quickly, Emma, because we do not have time for a big breakfast today. Is anyone going to say anything else to me before we start this busy day?
I must leave immediately, or I will be terribly late for my first morning meeting.
I need to run some urgent errands at the supermarket, so everyone must move fast. I cannot believe it. They really forgot the most important day of my life. The big red heart is drawn right over today's date. How could they not see it? Last year, they woke me up with loud singing and a beautiful chocolate cake.
Hey, Emma, can I borrow your colored markers to draw a giant map on my paper? Sure, Leo, but do you really not remember anything special about today at all? Thanks for the markers, and I have to go back to my secret game in the room.
My chest feels so heavy because I truly feel completely invisible to my own family. Emma, since you have some free time, please help me fold these clean white towels.
Okay, Mom, I will help you, but are we going to do anything together later?
I have too much housework to finish today, so I cannot plan any extra activities.
Even my own mother is too busy to notice that I am turning 9 today.
Half of my birthday is already gone, and it feels like the saddest day ever. I will just sit outside by myself and enjoy the warm sunshine for a little while. I guess I will have to make my own handmade birthday wish this year. I wish that my family still loved me as much as they did last year. Oh, Daddy is home early from his office. Then maybe now something will finally happen.
Hello, Emma. Please do not block the driveway because I need to move this box inside.
What is inside that big box, Daddy? Is it something special for our house?
It is just some boring paperwork from my office that I need to organize tonight.
My heart is breaking into tiny pieces because nobody seems to care about me today. I will just go to my room and stay there for the rest of the day. Writing my feelings down is the only thing that makes me feel better right now. Emma, Mom says you need to come downstairs to the dark basement right now. Just come down quickly. She needs your help with a very heavy object immediately. Mom, are you down there? I cannot see anything because the lights are completely off. Please turn on the lights, Mom, and I am a little bit scared of the dark. Hello? Is anybody here with me in this quiet room right now? Surprise!
Happy birthday to our favorite adorable 9-year-old girl in the world!
Surprise! We got you so good, Emma!
We never could truly forget your special day.
Oh my goodness! You all actually remembered my birthday after all this time today!
Look at this incredible room, and we spent the entire week preparing this secret party space. I am so sorry we had to ignore you this morning, my sweet birthday girl. I thought you forgot about me, Mom, and I was feeling so lonely all day long.
We wanted to make this the biggest surprise you have ever had in your life.
I helped hide all the pink balloons under the stairs so you wouldn't see them. Everything looks absolutely magical. It is like a beautiful dream come true for me.
This was not boring office paperwork. It is the giant birthday cake you always wanted.
It is the most beautiful cake I have ever seen in my whole life, Daddy.
You are our special little princess, Emma, and we love you more than words can say.
Now it is time to sing the birthday song as loud as we possibly can.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Emma. Happy birthday. This time, my wish is just to stay this happy with my family forever.
Yay! You blew them all out in one single breath, but your wish will definitely come true.
Here is the biggest piece of chocolate cake for the wonderful birthday girl.
This tastes absolutely incredible, and thank you so much for making this for me, Mom. This is a very special handmade gift that we all worked on together for you.
I wonder what is inside this beautiful box, and I am so excited to open it.
Oh, wow. It is a beautiful memory book of our family's favorite moments together.
Look how small you were, Emma, and we have loved you from the very first second. This is the best handmade gift I have ever received in my entire life.
I made this special drawing for you too, Emma, because you are the best sister.
Thank you, Leo Bered. I will hang this beautiful drawing right next to my bed tonight.
Now we can take even more beautiful photos for your new memory scrapbook today. Everyone look right at the lens and say cheese for our official birthday photo.
That is a perfect photo, and everyone looks so completely happy and full of love.
I feel so silly for thinking that my family could ever forget about me today.
We wanted to teach you that true love is shown through thoughtful actions, not just words.
I understand now, Mom. The surprise made the day even more special than before.
Remember when Emma thought the plain brown box was just full of boring office paperwork?
You should have seen your face, Emma. You looked so incredibly suspicious of me.
I really was suspicious, Daddy. I thought you were hiding the cake from me. This is the best birthday party ever! Even better than my own party last month.
The bright colors make the entire basement feel like a magical, festive kingdom today. Let us make a special birthday toast to our beautiful, kind, and loving 9-year-old daughter. To Emma, may this new year bring you so much joy and beautiful adventures.
I am surrounded by the people who care about me the most in the world.
I will never doubt my family's love for me ever again after this day.
You are growing up to be such a wonderful girl, Emma, and we are so proud.
No matter how old you get, you will always be our sweet little baby girl.
The time is passing so fast when we are having this much fun together.
I am getting a little bit tired from all the jumping and party games, Emma.
You can rest your head on my shoulder, Leo, but you did a great job today.
This was a completely successful surprise operation for our wonderful family team.
I want to remember every single detail of this beautiful birthday celebration forever. I feel like the luckiest girl in the universe to have a family like this. Let us go upstairs and finish this perfect evening with a nice family movie. This is the perfect ending to the most unforgettable birthday I have ever had.
I learned that love does not always need to be shouted out loud every single minute.
Good night, my sweet birthday princess, and sleep well and have the most beautiful dreams.